It's the best-selling truck on Earth. And right now, during Len Stoller Ford Truck Month, the F-150 comes with an amazing new feature. Up to $10,900 in total savings. And there's more. If you're active duty or a military veteran, a first responder, or their families, you get an additional $1,000 of appreciation cash. That's up to $11,900 in savings. Make Ford Truck Month your month to own an F-150 from Len Stoller Ford in Owings Mills or at lenstollerford.com.